Hello, friends. Welcome back to Learn with Olivia.
And I'm Ethan.
Today, we are going shopping to the supermarket.
In this video, you will learn 10 new supermarket words, practice shadowing with us,
Answer comprehension questions.
and enjoy a fun real-life style conversation.
So stay with us until the end and let's start shopping. Part 1. Entering the supermarket. Ethan, should we take a basket or a trolley today?
A trolley. We will buy a lot today. The basket is too small.
You're right. And the trolley has wheels, so it's easier to push.
Yes, I don't want to carry heavy items.
Lazy boy. Let's go. Which aisle first?
Fruits and vegetables. They are my favorite.
Okay, but don't forget we also need milk, bread, and snacks.
Got it. Let's start our shopping adventure.
I need a trolley. A basket is too small. Let's go shopping. Part 2. Fruits and vegetables. Ethan, do we need apples today?
Yes. Let's take 6 apples. They look fresh and red.
And bananas?
No. We have some at home.
What about tomatoes? We need them for salad.
Good idea. 4 tomatoes, please.
Oh, look, strawberries are on sale. Should we buy them?
They are a bit expensive. Maybe we can skip them.
Okay, then just apples and tomatoes today.
Fine, but next time we can buy strawberries.
Shadowing practice.
I want 6 apples.
We need tomatoes for salad.
Strawberries are expensive.
Part 3. Bread and milk. Ethan, which bread do you want? White or brown?
Brown bread is healthier. Let's take that.
Perfect. 1 brown bread coming up.
And don't forget the milk. We drink a lot every morning.
Should we take 1 bottle or 2?
2 bottles, please.
Great. And look, yogurt is right next to the milk. Do you want some?
Yes, 1 small pack of yogurt.
Shadowing practice.
I like brown bread.
Let's buy 2 bottles of milk.
I like yogurt.
Part 4. Snacks and drinks.
Olivia, can we buy some chips?
Chips again. You love chips too much.
Just 1 small packet, please?
Okay, only 1. No more.
Deal. What about cookies?
Ethan, you sound like a child.
Maybe, but cookies are delicious.
All right, 1 packet of cookies. But we must also buy juice.
Orange juice, right? It's healthy.
Yes, orange juice. Perfect. Shadowing practice. Can we buy some chips? Only 1 packet.
Let's take orange juice.
Part 5. At the cashier.
Hello. Did you find everything?
Yes, thank you.
Do you need a bag? Yes, please. 1 bag.
Okay, your total is $20.
Here you go.
Thank you. Here's your receipt.
Thanks. Have a nice day.
You too?
Shadowing practice. Did you find everything? The total is $20. Have a nice day.
Comprehension questions.
Question 1. Which bread did Ethan choose?
Answer: brown bread.
Question 2. What drink did we buy?
Answer: orange juice.
Question 3. Did we buy strawberries?
Answer: no, because they were expensive.
Vocabulary with meaning.
Let's review useful supermarket words.
1. Basket. A small container to carry things.
2. Trolley or cart. A big basket with wheels.
3. Cashier. The person who takes your money.
4. Shelf. A flat board where items are kept.
5. Aisle. The path between shelves.
6. Vegetables. Food like carrots, tomatoes, potatoes.
7. Fruits. Foods like apples, bananas, oranges.
8. Bread. Food made from flour.
9. Milk. White liquid drink from cows.
10. Price tag. The small paper showing the cost of an item. Wait, where is chocolate?
Ethan, that's your favorite food. Not a word.
Today we practiced a full supermarket conversation, did shadowing, answered comprehension questions, and learned new words with meaning.
Next time you go shopping, try to use these words in real life.
If you liked this video, comment below.
And tell us, what do you usually buy at the supermarket?
Thank you for watching. See you next time.